I don't want to make a drama of it. We don't have time for that. We have a match on Saturday. We have no time to be sad for more than 24 hours. And that's football. That's not the end of the world. I sit in this chair twice in the Champions League, and I knock out Man United at home, at Old Trafford. I sit in this chair with Porto, Man United out. I sit in this chair with Real Madrid, Man United out. So I don't think is something new for the club. And of course, being Manchester United manager and losing a Champions League tie at home is a delusion, obviously. Regrets? I don't have regrets. I did my best. The players, they did their best. We tried. We lost.